Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to make buttermilk chicken. This is a golden crust, tender, juicy, whole chicken made in 45 minutes. So first we're going to start off with our chicken and we're just going to pat it dry with some paper towel. We want to remove the excess water just to make sure it doesn't interfere with our chicken's ability to absorb the flavor. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt to each side of the chicken. And I'm going to make sure that salt gets on all parts of the chicken because what the salt is doing is brining the chicken and also making it more tender and juicy, so it's perfect when we cook it. So then I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes, and after that I'm going to put it inside my Ziploc plastic bag here. And I want to make sure to get the whole chicken in the bag and that the bag can be sealed because we're going to add all our buttermilk in right now. So I'm going to add 2 cups of buttermilk. And this is the buttermilk I like to use. It's cultured low-fat buttermilk by Trader Joe's. You can use whatever you prefer, but I tend to go to this one. And then I'm going to add 2 sprigs of rosemary. I just like to throw in as much as possible, so the more the merrier for me. I have about 3 or 4 sprigs of rosemary here. And then I have about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. And you don't have to worry about crushing them up because we're simply using them for the marinade. Now I'm going to seal the bag shut, I'm going to make sure all the air is removed, and I'm just going to mix all these ingredients together and make sure to rub the chicken down with everything inside the bag. And this is what it looks like when we are all done rubbing and mixing everything together. And now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and have it refrigerating overnight for about 24 hours. Prepping only takes 5 minutes of your time, but in the fridge is where all the magic happens. So it's been 24 hours and now I'm going to take the chicken out of the fridge and get my cast iron ready. I'm going to simply put the chicken in the cast iron, removing any of the excess buttermilk. And you see here, now I'm just putting the extra rosemary and garlic inside the cavity of the chicken just so that flavor bursts through. And I'm going to grab some twine and I'm going to tie the legs of the chicken together. This is going to help so that the chicken legs cook properly and don't burn. And now the chicken is ready for the oven. We're going to start by baking it at 425. And you see here, I'm going to put the chicken in the center rack in the middle of the oven. I'm sorry, my hair is covering the camera, but I'm going to face the chicken legs to the left. The sides of the oven tend to be the hottest, and this helps to cook the legs properly without burning or drying out the chicken breast. And this is how it should look after 20 minutes. You see the legs are becoming golden brown, and the breast looks completely untouched. This is perfect so we won't burn the chicken breast. And now we're going to reduce the temperature to 400 degrees and cook for 10 minutes. And again, this is what it looks like after 10 minutes. You see it's nice and golden. It's starting to get that color that we want. And last, all you do is turn the legs to the right and then cook the chicken for another 35 minutes. And voila, all finished. This is exactly what it should look like. A nice, golden, tender, juicy chicken. I made some Brussels sprouts too, but that's a whole nother video. Back to the chicken. It looks amazing. So now we have this beautiful, gorgeous, delicious looking buttermilk chicken, and it's so easy to make. I would definitely recommend you try making this at home. I'm actually bringing mine to a Friendsgiving. I'm so excited to see everyone and hope they enjoy it. So now we're all done. You have this buttermilk chicken recipe. It's very easy. You can try it out yourself. And I'm gonna go now. I hope to see you guys next time. I post videos every week, so if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit the button. Bye!